like this is a cute song, fun dance. Steps sheet says it's beginner level. I think it's a little more easy improver level, because there might be a couple steps that beginners don't know, such as the vaudeville step, and we do have 2 types that happen both times that after we go around once at 12 o'clock. So it's a 4-wall dance, clockwise rotation. So let's start out. So that vaudeville step, which I just mentioned, starts right at the beginning. All right, so our first 8 counts are the vaudeville steps. We're going to do the right and the left. So weight starts on your left foot. You're going to step out with the right, step behind, step out again, extend the left heel, step down on it, and cross over with the right, and put your weight on it, okay? So, all right, so let's try it with the counts. Ready? 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's the other thing. There's little and counts, so the timing isn't single counts. It's out 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now we're going to go to the left. We're going to do a left vaudeville step. So we're going to step out, behind, step, heel, and cross. All right, let's do it again. You were finishing your right vaudeville, so your left is going to be behind. So you step out like you're going to bind this way. Behind, step, heel, and cross. All right, I'm going to do it with the counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right, I'm going to put it all together now. So, out, behind, and heel, and cross. Out, behind, and heel, and cross. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So those of you that know it are like, why are you wasting my time? But a lot of people, it takes them a while to learn that vaudeville step. It is worth it to learn it, because we do that in a lot of dances. So and once you get it, you'll have it, and you'll know when I say, we're going to do a vaudeville step, and you'll be all set. Okay, so it starts with that. That is the first 8 counts. Then our weight is on the left. Our right foot might be a little bit behind. So we're going to step out and shuffle on the diagonal forward. Shuffle, and then to the left diagonal. Shuffle, and then you're going to do a regular jazz box, no turn. Over, back, step, step. All right, jazz box. All right, so let's do that again. We're going to shuffle forward. Shuffle, shuffle, jazz, 2, 3, 4. All right, with the counts, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weights back on the left. All right, so let's put that together. Start with that vaudeville. Step out, behind, and heel, and cross. Out, behind, and heel, and cross. Shuffle, shuffle, jazz, 2, 3. All right, so the next set of 8, we're going to walk and shuffle around in a circle and go back to the wall that you started on. So we're at 12. So we're going to walk to our right. We're going to walk, walk, shuffle, walk left, right, shuffle, left, right, left. All right, so let's try it again. 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back to the front. There are a few people in my classes that do not like turning like that. So if you don't want to walk around like that, you can walk, walk, shuffle, walk back, back, shuffle. Something like that you can improvise, as long as you end up facing the wall that you started on. All right, so we're going to put those 3 sets of 8 together now with the vaudeville. Weights on the left. Ready? Out, behind, step, heel, and cross. Out, behind, step, heel, and cross. Shuffle, and shuffle, jazz box, over, back, step, step. We're gonna walk around, walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. All right, so your weight ends up back on the left foot, and back up a little bit. All right, so now you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, and do a right coaster step. So back, back, forward. That's the coaster step. And then you're gonna step forward with your left and make a quarter turn pivot to your right. So you're facing 3 o'clock now. And then you're going to take the right heel and swivel it out, in, out, in. A little hip bump there too. So out, in, out, in. Your weight is really over on this left foot. All right, so let me go through that part again. Last set of 8. You're going to rock forward on the right, recover left, coaster step, step out left, pivot a quarter, swivel, swivel with the hip bump. All right, so let's try it one more time with the counts. 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, step out 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's put it together from the top. That's the whole dance. Ready? Step out, behind, and heel, and cross. Step out, behind, and heel, and cross. Shuffle, shuffle, jazz box, over, back, step, step, walk around, walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. Rock forward right, and coaster step, step a quarter, turn, swivel, swivel. All right, that's the whole thing. Let's go around the room a little bit. Let's start with the side wall. Ready, vaudeville, out, behind, and heel, and cross, out, behind, and heel, and cross, shuffle, shuffle, jazz box, over, back, step, step. Now walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. Rock right, coaster step, step a quarter, turn, heel, swivel, swivel. All right, we're at the back roll now. If you don't really know it, go back and practice the front wall a few times. All right, or just listen to my voice. Ready, you're gonna vaudeville, out, behind, and heel, and cross, out, behind, and heel, and cross. Shuffle forward, shuffle, jazz box, over, back, step, step, walk around. Shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. Rock forward right, and coaster step, step a quarter, turn, heel, swivel, swivel. Last wall, out, behind, step, heel, and cross. Out, behind, step, heel, and cross. Shuffle, shuffle, jazz box. And walk around, walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle, rock right, and coaster step, step a quarter, turn, swivel, swivel. Okay, so when we get back to 12 o'clock, we have the tag after the heel, swivel, swivel. We're going to stomp right, left, clap, 2, 3, 4. So the count on that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're going to start again. All right, with a vaudeville step. So then we're going to go all the way around again, and there's another tag which is very similar. It's just a little bit longer. It has 4 counts at the beginning, so it's an 8 count tag. You're going to have a rocking chair first. So you're going to rock 1, 2, 3, 4, stomp 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. All right. So, and then after that, it keeps going a bit, and I think it ends facing the back. So just try the demo with me. It's a cute song, and have fun with it.